Spinning wheel. Tack to port. Now hard to starboard. Starboard again. You're doing a great job, Pat. We're doing really well.
Yeah, right. We're not gonna win tomorrow like this.
Trim the sails, Lily. Let's speed this thing up. What? But where? Go on, Lily. We can do it. Woohoo! Starboard, port, start. No, make that port. Port!
Go easy on the helm, Pat. It's gonna burst.
Unless you can get your hands on a spare helm, it looks like you're gonna have to say bye-bye to tomorrow's race, me mateys.
What? But it's the most important race of the year. We can't possibly miss it.
You should have thought of that before, me little small fry. If you don't take care of your boat, it'll end up down at the cemetery with the rest of them. And a pirate without a boat is like a bird with no wings. It can chirp all it wants, but it's worth naught. I'll tow you back to the dock.
It's okay. It's not a biggie. We'll try again next year.
Lily's right, Pat. We don't want our beautiful boat to end up in the cemetery, do we?
The cemetery! Of course! That's it!
We shouldn't be here. Oh dear, oh dear, oh dear.
This is the only hope we have of competing in that race. Unless you have a better idea, in which case, Whoa!
Is it me, or is this place totally freaky?
What are you talking about? This is cool! Look, guys, this is exactly what we need. Huh? What's the matter?
I don't know. I felt something when I touched it.
I think it's a sign.
A sign that it's not a good sign, you mean? Let's get out of here.
No, we need it for tomorrow's race. Let's pull it out. Need I remind you that the last time you tugged at a helm like this, it didn't go too well.
Okay, guys, you've got your helm. Now let's go.
Yeah! Not only can we now compete in the race tomorrow, I'm also going to show them what a true Pfffirate captain looks like. Good night, everybody.
Good night.
What? What in the... Lily! Lily, did you forget to suction the anchor yesterday? How come we're no longer moored to the pier?
Okay, so first off, I never forget to suction the anchor. And third off, there's no way we could have drifted this far out.
What was second off?
Sorry, guys, but if we want to compete in today's race, we better start to make our way back to the harbor. Like now.
Huh? Huh? Check this out, guys.
What?
Oh, nothing. Let's get going.
At your helms, pirates! On your marks!
Hey, wait!
Squid's alive!
Hey, watch it!
So, as I was saying, at your helms, pirates! On your marks! Ready?
Whoa! this again.
Hey, what's wrong with you? Pat, what are you doing?
I'm not doing anything.
Hey, are you out of your mind?
It's not
Urchins! Corsairs! Stop your shenanigans this minute or you'll be disqualified on the double!
It's okay, Stede. We'd finished. What? No! We haven't finished yet. What is wrong with you, Pat? Why didn't you take us over the finish line?
I'm not the one sailing this boat. It's the helm. It's doing some really weird stuff.
Look, guys!
What? They're coming straight for me!
What's happening? Is it over?
Please tell me this is over.
Corsairs! What is up with you? Have you completely lost control? Where did you get that helm from?
We got it from the boat cemetery.
But Pat, that's Demolition Derek's symbol on the middle of that helm.
Oh no! Demolition Derek was a fearsome pirate. According to legend, he blew his own air into his boat so that he could control it with his thoughts.
I've got an idea. Be right back.
Huh? What kind of mischief is this now? Who is sailing your boat?
It's not us!
We got ourselves a new helm. But Lamar told us it belonged to Demolition Derek.
Oh, Demolition Derek.
Duncan, we need to... Duncan? Ah! Huh?
Yay! We got it!
No, seriously? What does it want from us anyway?
It's me he wants. I sank Demolition Derek's boat many moons ago in a skirmish. He swore he'd seek revenge and sink me too, sooner or later.
Okay, so how do we get rid of them?
There's only one solution. You'll need to put that helm back where you found it and deflate that pesky shipwreck to get Derek's ghost out of there.
We'll lure him out. You steer the boat, Duncan. We need Derek to chase you.
What?
Get to the cemetery, fast.
Hope you know what you're doing, kid.
So we agree? You understood it all? Come on, guys! Oh.
Hey, do you need a hand?
Thanks, Captain. You can put me down on Demolition Derek's boat.
Well done, me matey.
Thank you, Mr. Duncan.
Yay! We did it!
It's not over yet. There's one last thing we need to do, Pat. You could have been a fantastic Pfffirate, Derek, but you chose your side. So now I'm gonna make sure you never put anyone in danger ever again. I was impressed today, me mateys. and I've seen my fair share of Pfffirates in my life. Derek chose to contaminate his boat with nasty, nauseating air, whereas you, Pat, did everything you possibly could to save yours, and your fellow crew members, and even me.
So, we've decided to put the obstacle course race off until you've had time to do the repairs on your boat.
Yay! Thank you!
Thank you! Thank you! Hey! Do you mind?
It wasn't me, it was my foot. It's possessed by Demolition Derek.
Yeah, right. I'll get you, you little crab.
You can try.